When Amazon said it's ditching Android for VIDAA on Fire TVs, it looked like Google Smart TVs are going to be dead soon. But not so fast. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your place of the latest tech news. Sure, the smart TV world is more crowded than ever. Samsung runs Tizen, LG sticks with WebOS, and Hisense has its own VIDAA platform. Most brand license Roku or Fire TV instead of building their own software. And with all this, it feels like Google's being squeezed out. So behind the scenes, Google's still pretty much in the game. Is Android TV really dead? Well, the answer is no. Google has quietly transitioned Android TV into Google TV years ago, and that's the name you'll see on most new devices today. The Chromecast line has been replaced by the Google TV streamer, and major manufacturers like Sony, TCL, and Hisense continue to roll out sets powered by Google TV. There's even a Google TV app for Android and iOS users. So if Google's market share feels smaller, it's really because the market itself has exploded. There are more TVs, more platforms now, and that doesn't necessarily mean less Google-powered screens. Recently, Google announced flashy new features for it as well, like adding Google Photos and Gemini AI support to your TV, making it something closer to Smart Assistant. Soon, you'll be able to ask your TV to brighten the picture or lower the volume without searching for a remote around. By the way, these Gemini features are launching first on selected TCL models, but it will have a wider rollout soon. So it's safe to say that Android TV didn't vanish, it just evolved, and Google TV is running the show now. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and comment on the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Google TV is getting its biggest upgrade yet, and it's arriving earlier than expected. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Gemini is Google's powerful AI assistant, which is now rolling out to selected TVs, and users are already spotting it on models Google hadn't officially confirmed. While Gemini was kept for later this year, it's already live on the TCL QM9K, and unsurprisingly, is now appearing on Sony Bravia TVs running Android TV 14 as well. One Bravia owner posted proof on Reddit showing off Gemini's new icon and features after updating the Google TV Home app. So, what does Gemini bring to your big screen? Well, it's not just about voice search. Gemini transforms your TV into smart assistant that can find top-rated shows on HBO Max, summarize news headlines, generate custom screensavers, pull relevant YouTube clips, and even create images, all with a natural conversational interface. It also adds new voice options, almost 10 in total, with names like Oxalis, Fern, and Calathea. These voices, named after plants, bring a new level of personalization to the living room. For instance, the calm and mid-range voice called Nova on mobile is rebranded as Bloom on Google TV. Gemini will launch officially on more TCL models like the QM7K, QM8K, and X11K later this year. It's also coming to the 2025 Hisense U8, U7, and UX lines, as well as streaming devices like the Google TV Stick and Walmart's on 4K Pro. If you noticed a new icon or voice options on your Google TV, you might be among the lucky testers of this AI ruling your living room. Did you get Gemini on your TV yet? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Your Google TV just got a free upgrade that smart home fans will love. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's explore the new home panel feature. Control lights, cameras, and doorbells right from your TV. The home panel is rolling out to Google TV and Chromecast, even older ones. Want to see how? Stick around. After months of testing, Google's home panel feature is now live on Google TV and Chromecast devices, including discontinued models like the 2020 Chromecast and Hisense TVs. First launched with the Google TV streamer in 2024, it's now hitting older devices via a quiet software update that started this week, May 2025. Posts on X and reports from Android Central confirm users are controlling smart home devices directly from their TVs. No new hardware needed. The home panel turns your TV into Smart Home Hub. Access it on the right side of your Google TV to control Google Home compatible devices like smart lights, thermostats, speakers, video doorbells, and security cameras. Get real-time notifications, like when someone rings your Nest doorbell, just like on Apple's TV OS or Amazon's Fire OS. It's seamless. Dim your lights or check your camera feed without leaving the couch. To use it, your Google TV or Chromecast needs the latest software update. A pop-up will guide you to set up the home panel when you power on, but only if your Google account is linked to Google Home devices. No smart devices? You might not see the prompt. It's not available on kids' profiles, and the account on your TV must match your Google Home account. Even discontinued Chromecasts are supported, showing Google's keeping older devices alive. This free update makes your TV a command center for your smart home, saving you from juggling apps or phones. Is the home panel a must-have for you? Or are you sticking to your phone for smart home control? Share your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried it on your Chromecast yet? That's the scoop on Google TV's awesome home panel upgrade. If you're excited to control your smart home from your TV, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech updates. Samsung makes some of the best TVs, which aren't exactly easy to set up or navigate. Samsung smart TVs run on Tizen OS, which may be filled with the best streaming services and even cloud gaming platforms. Simple tasks, such as installing your favorite apps onto your Samsung smart TV, become incredibly complex. Interestingly, there are two different ways to download an app to a Samsung smart TV. It's entirely dependent on what kind of apps you're downloading, but for the most part, you'll be able to find everything you need in Samsung's App Store. GadInsider's compiled a guide on how to download apps on Samsung smart TVs. First off, access the home dashboard. Navigate to the Samsung App Store. Search the app you want to download and click Install. Add to Home page. Check available storage and settings under Apps. Meanwhile, keep watching to view a detailed guide for each step. First off, press the Home button on your remote to access the Home dashboard. Scroll to the right, navigating to the Apps section located. Either tap left to pull up the search function or scroll down under Apps to find the one you want to install. Once you find the app you want on your Samsung Smart TV, click Install. Once installed, you'll have the option to either open or add to Home. It's said that adding the new app to your home screen will help you not lose it in the mess that is Tizen OS after hastily opening it. With the app set on your home carousel, it's good to check your Samsung Smart TV system storage and adjust various app settings as you see necessary. You can find this at the bottom of the app section. Apple expected to enter smart TV market with Smart Home Hub. Apple is re-exploring the similar concept it was considering between 2009 and 2011 as it's gearing up to launch its Apple-branded smart TV. Mark Gurman declared this possibility in his Power On newsletter. This project was laid aside by Apple due to the lack of differentiating features at that time. However, now the tech giant wants to enhance the interconnected nature of its devices and can offer the potential for more innovations. Apple's HomeKit system would combine with the smart TV, unlocking tons of controlling capabilities for smart home devices, but it wouldn't serve as the primary hub yet. The iPhone maker is developing another 6-inch square display device that would serve as Apple's smart home devices hub. The launch of smart TV would highly depend on the success of this hub device. The smart TV's release highly depends on the consumer's response to Apple's wall-mounted smart home hub. Apple's TV specifications and designs are not officially disclosed, so the fate of smart TV is hinging on the success of its smart home initiative.